Even a decade ago, making money was not as easy as it is today. The internet has ushered in a brand new way of earning money, the gig economy. The gig economy has exploded in popularity in recent years, and it's easy to see why. It provides flexible hours and the opportunity to work from anywhere, making it a fantastic way to earn money. Although working in the gig economy is one of the quickest and simplest ways to make money, there are a number of other lucrative side hustles you can pursue. If you're looking for a way to supplement your salary, there's no better time than now. I've compiled a list of 15 ways to make fast cash in this guide, no matter what situation you're in. Number 1. Participate in paid surveys. Paid surveys will help you earn a substantial amount of money. The best part about these opportunities is that they are almost no-brainers. It's a given that all businesses want to learn more about their customers and clients. And having survey takers do it is one of the most feasible ways to do it. You can expect to earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1.25 per survey, with the majority taking less than 5 minutes to complete. Isn't it cool? Survey Junkie, for example, pays well for this service. Number 2, get Postmates to deliver your packages. Anything, anytime, anywhere, says the slogan. Postmates has made it possible for almost everyone to get involved in the side hustle of shipping different products. This may involve delivering takeout, groceries, and on a more lucrative level, alcohol in most cases. The best part is that there are no formal fee structures or time obligations, allowing you to work on your own schedule. When you complete a delivery, you get to keep 100% of what you produce. You'll also be able to see how the commissions are measured and broken down in complete transparency. Number 3, Swagbucks will pay you $10. Swagbucks is another excellent way to earn money quickly. It's a pretty cool survey site that's really close to Survey Junkie, which I previously described. Aside from the advantages, the platform offers a $10 bonus just for signing up. For a short time, I tried Swagbucks, but I finally abandoned it in favor of better opportunities. But that doesn't mean it didn't help me a lot when it was going on. Instead of surveys, there are other ways to make money with Swagbucks. Obtaining a $10 bonus as part of a cashback scheme for online shopping. Being paid to check and investigate the internet, plus a $10 bonus. Additionally, viewing videos earns you a $10 bonus. Number 4, earn money as an Uber or Lyft driver. Uber and Lyft, for example, offer a fantastic opportunity for everyone to make some fast cash. What you'd need is a good driving record and a reliable vehicle. Wherever you live, you'll also need a work permit. And once you've worked all of this out, you'll be able to work for them whenever it's convenient. It doesn't matter whether it's rush hour, any time of day or night, or even on weekends. This is similar to the freelance jobs that can add up to a full-time income. Number 5, as a new Lyft driver, earn a $300 bonus. As a result, you could become a new Lyft driver at any moment, even if you're in the middle of nowhere. Not only can this be a highly profitable side hustle, but it also has many advantages. Number 6, download the Nielsen app to earn $50. The Nielsen app is a perfect way to make money just by getting the app installed on your phone, because it pays you to gather data for internet use analysis. Nielsen charges $50 a year to keep their software running in your browser. The app would secretly collect data on your internet use. You won't have to think about any of the data connecting or tracing back to you in any way this way. Furthermore, the app takes up very little room on your phone and does not slow it down. Number 7, add a card to Dosh and get $5 right away. Dosh is a cashback app that has gotten a lot of attention on social media. They're basically handing out free money to entice new users. The following is how it works. You simply need to download the app and connect your debit and credit cards. Pay with your connected card at participating stores and restaurants. Get up to 10% cash back on your purchase. Simply deposit the cash back into your bank account until you've accumulated. And that's it. Free money. The best part is that you get $5 right away when you connect your first card to the app, and you get an extra $10 every time you refer a friend to the app. Number 8, use the Drop app to earn simple incentives. Drop is a well-known free app that rewards you for your regular purchases. All you have to do now is download Drop and register. Then, to begin collecting money, connect your credit and debit cards to it. Drop gives you points for every purchase you make from one of the hundreds of brands they work with. You will also receive more points for completing such basic tasks in addition to collecting money for shopping. Each time you refer to a friend, you will earn up to 5,000 points. You can gain even more points by integrating other apps or completing a linked or mobile deal. You get $1 for every 1,000 points you earn, and once you reach 5,000 points, you can exchange them for gift cards at your favorite retailers, including Target, Starbucks, Amazon, and many others. Number 9. Trim will help you save money on your bills. Trim will serve as your personal financial advisor, assisting you in reducing a variety of needless expenditures that we all need to eliminate. It has a free trial for the app that connects to your bank account. And after you've done so, it'll look at all of your online transactions to see how much money you've spent. It will root out all of the subscriptions you need to cancel, negotiate your Comcast bill, and even recommend better car insurance, among a plethora of other extremely beneficial suggestions. You could potentially save up to $100 a month if you tailor your spending according to it, as much as possible. Number 10. Acorns will pay you $5 if you spend $5. Acorns is an investing app that lets you put your money into investments that are designed to increase in value over time. It's fairly quick to use and to get started with. It's a great app to start with if you're just getting your feet wet with investments in general. Acorns will take the spare change from your regular transactions and invest it in the stock market. For example, if you spend $3.64 on anything, the app will transfer 36 cents to your savings account, bringing your total spending to $4, which will add up to a considerable amount over time. Number 11. Make money on Amazon by selling old games and books. This one is extremely lucrative, particularly if you're a total game nerd. On the Amazon marketplace, listing and selling old books, games, and other gadgets is relatively easy. This can help you make a lot of money, particularly if you're selling high-priced textbooks and games. All you have to do is make sure the textbooks and games are in good working order. You must be upfront and honest about any flaws in the products, even if they're too small to note or are very obvious. In the long run, having a strong reputation will still help you gain more customers. Number 12. Use Craigslist to sell or resell old and used electronics. Craigslist is a website that lists everything under the sun, including property rentals, work openings, and used vehicles. You can quickly supplement your income by flipping items on Craigslist if you have a keen eye for bargains and the versatility to meet buyers and sellers. Number 13. Use TaskRabbit to complete tasks. TaskRabbit assists you in locating potential helpers or employers in your area who can help you complete chores. This helps you to tap into the current marketplace of people who are looking for local support to complete tasks. The roles will not always be simple or minor. Platforms like this one allow you to work on important and well-paying projects like home decor and renovations. Number 14. Pursue a career as a copywriter. If you believe you can persuade customers to buy something or assist a company in making a significant profit solely through the influence of your written words, then copywriting is for you. For a great idea to sell, words act as the driving force and source of real strength. It is, in reality, one of the highest paying occupations ever, and it necessitates a high level of commitment and ability perfection in order to work in your favor. It will take time and effort on your part. However, if you are confident in your ability to persuade others, you can give it a shot. Start having gigs for your copywriting side hustle by listing your services on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Number 15. Cafe Press is a great way to make money. Cafe Press is a print-on-demand website where you can sell items with your design on them in exchange for a cut of the profits. This can include everything from inspiring quotes to personalized logos to anything else you can think of. Simply create the plan and Cafe Press will take care of the rest. You'll need to come up with some fresh ideas in order to succeed in this side hustle, so some design experience will help.